Hi everyone, how are you? So, waiting for everyone to join and hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for joining today. I want to just start. आप जैसे सबको पता है कि आज मैंने पोस्ट किया था कि मैं सोनाली जैन के साथ, जो फैशन डिज़ाइनर है, उनके साथ एक लाइव करने वाली हूँ। जैसे मैंने अपनी सहेली अनन्या बैनर्जी के साथ, जो शेफ़ थी, उनके साथ कुछ दिन पहले लाइव किया था। सो आई हैड प्रॉमिस्ड सोनाली दैट वील डू दिस लाइव एंड आई हैड ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड ऑन, बट ऑनेस्टली आज सुशांत के बारे में जो शॉकिंग न्यूज़ मिली कुछ देर पहले, it was very shocking and I did not know ki, what do I do, and it was sad, very sad, and honestly I am deeply affected by it. I really did not know whether I could go ahead with this live, but as I always say, that a commitment is a commitment and it must be followed. I want to tell everybody, all of you, that COVID is a very difficult time that we are going through. ये कोरोना का जो चल रहा है, इसमें आप कई लोग अकेले पड़ जाते हैं, कई लोग बात नहीं कर पाते हैं, एक दूसरे से मिल नहीं पाते हैं। लेकिन प्लीज़ आप अपने जो क्लोज लोग हैं, या जो अपने दोस्त हैं या फैमिली हैं, उन सब के साथ आप बात करिए, कीप इन टच विद देम। चाहे वीडियो कॉल करिए, चाहे जूम कॉल करिए, कुछ भी करिए, बट please, I'm requesting all of you, please keep talking to each other, keep discussing, talk about what is bothering you, please. Just speak about कि भाई आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है. I know कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मुश्किल होता है बात करना, because people start judging you. फिर कुछ लोग अफवाहें फैलाते हैं, कुछ लोग they start talking rubbish. And maybe that's why you can't discuss with you can't discuss closely with people, because you're worried कि किससे मैं बात करूं. So I just feel कि हम लोग को ना, एक तो ये डिप्रेशन जो बीमारी है ना, इसको प्लीज आप लोग, ये कोई छुआछूत की बीमारी नहीं है, इससे कोई घबराने या शर्माने की बात नहीं है. Please talk about it, and it's very clear. Obviously, it was Sushant was alone, and he did not have any family members close to him whom he could talk. या पता नहीं उनके दोस्त भी उससे बात होती थी कि नहीं. खैर वो सब बाद में पता चलेगा. I will now. I just want to say rest in peace, Sushant Singh Rajput, and I just wish that you had not done this, because मुझे सचमुच एक झटका लगा है. अब थोड़ी देर में हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी हमारे जो फैशन डिज़ाइनर हैं, सोनाली जैन, एंड आई थिंक वी शुड नाउ स्पीक टू हर. इज सोनाली ऑनलाइन? आई कांट सी यू सोनाली. प्लीज़ जस्ट टाइप इफ यू आर ऑनलाइन एंड देन आई कैन मेक यू ज्वाइन, और सेंड अ रिक्वेस्ट टू ज्वाइन इन. आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? आप लोग बताइए. हाउ आर यू ऑल? I'm fine. I'm a little upset today, but I'm sure that आप लोगों से बात करने में, और सोनाली जब आएगी तो उनके साथ बात करने में हम लोग we will be, we can change our mindset for some time. हालांकि इतनी जल्दी भूलने वाली बात नहीं है. And so I think Vinay is there, Vinay and my other social media people who are handling my social media. Please, can you ask Sonali? I can't see her online. Is she coming online, or are we going to go to her account? I don't know. Yes, I know we're very upset. मैं भी ठीक हूँ, thank you, विशाल हेरेकर. Hello, Dr. Smile. Tarun Baro, do you want to meet me after the pandemic? Well, let's hope we can meet. Guy with Monster. I don't know who's this guy with Monster. Vishal, I'm just upset today, and I'm sure आप लोगों से बात करके मेरी आँखों में से जो आंसू निकल रहे हैं वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, आई थिंक एटलीस्ट थोड़ी देर के लिए. And what is the secret of my beauty, Tarun Barot? I just feel that I think my genes are very good. I inherited some good skin from my mother, and I keep my, I mean, I eat healthy, and I make sure whatever I put into my mouth, into my stomach, I'm very careful about it. Jayesh, thank you for joining. Jayesh 6731. I will take you on live, but I'm waiting for a guest. I'm waiting for Sonali to come on. I can't see her. Maybe Vinay, can you please check? Thank you, Dylan DeMello. Thank you. You take care too. Thank you. आप भी जियो हजारों साल. No, Chitranjan Kapure, don't worry. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Thank you. Hi Sam Patel, how are you? तो जब तक पवन जी मैंगो पिकल रेडी है. थैंक यू. Siddharth BJ9, what do I do to maintain myself? As I said, I eat healthy, I exercise, and exercise, I mean, I would like to exercise more, but I don't, I mean, I try my best to do as much as I can. Yes, Prashant, everybody is shocked. I'm fine, Sam Patel, I'm fine, and busy with my work. My NGO work, and then ration distribution और लोगों की मदद करना, अपने घर का काम, खाना पकाना, घर संभालना. अभी तो सब वही कर रहे हैं, तो सबकी कहानी यही है. Thank you, Kushal. Tarun Barot, I'm your crush forever. पवन कुमार, थैंक यू. मेरे बाल अच्छा वैसे तो आजकल पार्लर जाने का हो ही नहीं रहा है, तो बट एनीवे थैंक यू. थैंक यू Ismail, so sweet of you. Kiran Dede, have I ever been depressed? Oh, of course, of course. Nikki, hi Nikki, how are you? How are you doing? Roshan Senapati, thank you. My face shines like a princess. That's so sweet. अच्छा भाई, अब ब्यूटीफुल छोड़ो, अपनी कोई बातें करो, कुछ गुफ्तगू करो, कुछ बताओ अपने बारे में. किसी के साथ कुछ ऐसा खास हुआ है इन दिनों में? एनीथिंग स्पेशल हैपन विद समबडी रिसेंटली? निशित मेहता, नो आई वेयर साड़ी. मतलब साड़ी पहन के लाइव पे मैंने पिछली बार पहना था ना, व्हेन आई डिड दैट लाइव विद अनन्या, विद शेफ अनन्या बैनर्जी. सो मैंने सोचा बार बार साड़ी पहनूंगी तो आप लोग भी बोर हो जाएंगे, अगली बार साड़ी पहनूंगी. और मैं आपको सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि वी आर कमिंग अप विद अ वेरी गुड सीरीज ऑफ टॉक शो, आई मीन ऑफ वेबिनार्स, जिसमें बहुत ही जरूरी चीजें हम लोग डिस्कस करें. सोनाली इज हियर and we will include her. So talking about the webinars that we are doing, please follow me on Facebook and see. हम लोग अभी 18 तारीख को एक बहुत important webinar करने वाले हैं. Hi Sonali, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. How pretty you're looking. So nice.
As usual.
Thank you.
That you only have listened to your RGTV videos. You have done a commendable job, man. I salute you for that.
I didn't hear. What did you say?
You have done a commendable job for all of them. The persons who you are taking back to home. You are like.
Oh, how sweet.
Well, it's really good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So before you came, I was saying that I had promised you about this live, so I did not want to cancel it, but we were all talking about Sushant Singh Rajput, and this is very sad. And we all were like, discussing that. It's so let me ask you, what do you do during lockdown? I mean, do you have, first of all, have you got family around you, and do you have any kind of scary thoughts or ideas come into your mind? Let's talk about that. Tell me.
all, I give my highest condolence to Sushant Singh Rajput. He's a great actor, and in a very, very small age, he has done a lot of work. But I don't know media about the depression thing that he's facing through. But nobody knows what the fact is. But if it's depression, then I must say to people that inner peace is really required. Success, name, being funny doesn't matter at all.
Yeah,
So
I know. So
I
do you have family? Are you living with family and you're okay?
I am okay. I'm okay. I'm enjoying my quarantine.
Okay, great, great.
He's in Jaipur.
You're in your family's in Jaipur. Okay, okay. So now Sonali is a fashion designer and she does very exquisite and exclusive kind of fashion designing. So Sonali, what inspires you, or what is it? What kind of fashion do you like to work on?
I work generally. I mix European with Indian. European style with Indian. From starting also, I don't have my mindset that I only go with, like kind of a Saudi. I mean, I will go with the Saudi, but I'm not in the mindset that I'll go with uh, only proper ethnic outfit. I want something to, to make a creative kind of a thing, to mix something with some other thing.
Like ethno chic, like ethno chic kind of.
Yeah, Indo-Western kind of a thing.
Indo-Western, ethno chic, yeah, ethnic and chic at the same time. Yeah, okay, okay. What kind of fabrics you like to play with? I mean, in your designing, good. My sister's a fashion designer, Shivani Tijori, and I have seen when she goes to a shop which has got fabric, she will touch it and like as if she's talking to the fabric. You also feel the same. I used to find it very weird, but I realized that. Do you feel the same?
When we touch the fabric now, we have many thoughts in our mind that इस fabric से we can make this thing, या ये fabric चुभेगा, या ये fabric बहुत silky रहेगा, fabric बहुत soft रहेगा. So there are many thoughts that go in our mind whenever we touch the fabric. So that's
So are
why
you?
we take a lot of time.
So are you telling me that when you go to a shop and you're buying a fabric, when you touch it, does a design pop up into your head that, oh, this is what I can design with it? ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या?
Many a times, many a times.
Wow.
Like
See,
whenever I
that's
go
what.
to a shop, if somebody shows a new collection, I just got a quick thought कि oh my god, इससे तो ये बन सकता है.
Wow.
So
इसको कहते हैं creativity. This is creativity. This is what is creativity, because it's your brain just makes you like, हम actors लोग जब set पे जाते हैं, हमको script देते हैं, तो मुझे भी ऐसा एहसास होता है जब मैं जाती हूँ सेट पे, तो सेट आपसे बात करता है, पूरा एनवायरनमेंट आपसे बात करती है, एंड देन उसके बाद when the script comes in your hand and you're reading it, and then when you're reading it in the room, makeup room, और आप जब सेट पे जाते हैं तो अलग ही कुछ बन जाता है और उसमें अलग ही कुछ ऐड हो जाता है. सो दैट इज क्रिएटिविटी एक्चुअली.
and one more thing, like whenever I design something or whenever I make something or I buy fabric, the first thing is in my mind is always that should I wear,
You should.
like should I wear that if I'm
Would I wear that? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
if I'm okay
Okay.
with that, then why not the public is, like it happens many times. So I have that thought many times in my mind.
So basically what you're saying, your designing is all focused around कि अगर मैं ये पहन सकती हूँ, तो मैं दूसरों के लिए भी डिजाइन करूँ कि ताकि वो पहने. So it's all centered around what you would imagine for yourself.
Yeah, obviously if a client asks or celebrity asks something, very specific, that's a different matter altogether. That's then we have to do according to them. But if I do according to myself, then I just think in my mind that this I can wear in cocktails, this I can wear in any Mahila Sangeet, this I can wear in any ceremonies. So I have always this thing of mine कि अगर मैं पहन सकती हूँ तो लोग भाग भी पहन सकते हैं. I don't want to give anybody such a very rubbish thing कि आप बस ये बना दे ले जाओ.
हाँ, कई डिजाइनर ऐसे आउटलैंडिश कपड़े बनाते हैं जो कभी आप पहन नहीं पाएंगे, सिर्फ वो रैम्प पे अच्छा लगता है, एंड देन व्हेन यू कैन नॉट वेयर इट ऑन आउट. या वो भी अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली. इट लुक्स गुड व्हेन यू सी द रैंप वॉक पर यू सी दैट की व्हाट इमेजिनेशन कैन डू, बट दोस आर नॉट वेयरेबल क्लोथ्स. या
Because I also,
एग्जैक्टली.
when I've done the fashion shows and all, but that's only on the RAM. It's not feasible for for the normal living. It's a one.
So tell me.
You are just sitting on a chair and you just have to sit
Then you just sit and sit like that only. You can't move around.
like a showpiece.
ऐसी ऐसी ऐसे बहुत पुराने जमाने में जो फिल्में आती थी ना, साड़ियां ऐसी टाइट लपेटती थी वो हीरोइंस. देयर फिगर यूज्ड टू लुक ऑसम. बट आई यूज्ड टू वंडर ये कैसे चलती होंगी इसमें, बिकॉज साड़ी में वैसे भी लोगों को तकलीफ होती है. हालांकि आई लव साड़ीज एंड आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन देम. सो नाउ कमिंग टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई वांट टू आस्क यू. लॉकडाउन हो गया, सब कुछ स्लो डाउन हो गया. आपका भी ऐसा ही बिजनेस है जैसे हम लोग का. हमको लोगों से वी हैव टू बी इन टच विद पीपल. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू बी इन टच विद पीपल, नाउ इन लॉकडाउन यू आर ऑब्वियसली नॉट इन टच विद पीपल. सो हाउ डू यू इमेजिन योर बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू? हाउ आर यू, हैव यू थॉट ऑफ सम न्यू स्टाइल्स, न्यू आइडिया ऑफ डूइंग अ बिजनेस, और व्हाट इज इट? बिकॉज दिस इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर.
See, seeing at this period of time, this way the people are going through, for sure, nobody can afford it right now. So now, at present, my weight is very high, like in a proper 60 above, above. Now, but at present, I've cut down my prices to 70%, totally 70%. And now, whenever I launch my new collection according to the season, because at present the COVID is going on and we don't know like when it will end. Then nation comes or something God happens and it just goes away. So
Yeah, no, we wanted to wish it away, huh?
yeah, seriously, man. So now we are moving into a range which is affordable to any kind of a people. Plus, one more thing, what we are doing is that we are like just thought of it, like we are launching one more label in my name only, in which we give clothes for just to make it sure जो लोगों के देखते हैं कि आज ये पहने
Oh wow. Okay.
वो पहना था लेकिन just because of the financial crisis में पहन नहीं पाई. या मैं
How
पहन-
nice.
So we are just going through on that phase also कि we do this also with this, like both clubbing together.
वेरी नाइस. अब मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ सब लोगों से कि ये ना सोचे कि भाई आप ने अगर मतलब प्राइसेस कम किया तो ये मतलब डिजाइनर की वैल्यू कम हो गई. वो सिचुएशन को देखकर और लोगों की जरूरतों को समझकर वो प्राइस कम करे, तो दैट्स अ वेरी ह्यूमन थिंग टू डू. दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. तो लोग सिर्फ अपना प्रॉफिट के बारे में सोचेंगे तो लोग अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर पाएंगे एंड दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू बाय इट ऑल्सो, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट गेट आउटरीच विल बी लेस.
He has dreams कि मुझे वेडिंग में मेरे को ऐसा पहनना है, मुझे वैसा. I do kill their dreams. No, I can't.
How nice. So you give it on rent.
It will.
You will be giving it on rent, right?
No, I'm launching two. Actually, one is already going on, my design, and one more I'm starting in which I give on rent.
How nice. Okay, okay.
But
Great.
people dreams don't kill off.
That's so nice. That's so nice. So guys, any of you who know of anybody getting married or anybody, it's okay now in this time. अगर हमको लाखों लाखों रुपए खर्च ना करें अपने कपड़ों पर, हम रेंट पे उसको ले सकते हैं. हम पैसे बचाएं क्योंकि अभी इकोनॉमी की हालत भी ठीक नहीं है. लोगों के जॉब लॉसेस हो गए, लेकिन शादियां तो होगी, बच्चे पैदा होंगे, सब कुछ होगा. So I am telling you all now, this is Sonali has another brand or another label in which she gives her clothes on rent, especially for special occasions, जैसे शादियां या कुछ ऐसे functions हो. That's a great thought, Sonali. I hope other designers also do that. I would love to take a Christian Dior gown on rent.
When I tell these two people ask this question that how can you club a designer with a rent? So I said, why not? Why can't I club?
Of course.
Can't I club? मैंने कहा कि दुनिया में कोई भी चीज ना जरूरी नहीं है ना कि पहली बार नहीं हो, कुछ तो चीज पहली बार होगी.
Of course होना चाहिए. और आपको पता है यूएस एंड यूके में रेंट पे गाउन्स शादियों में इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग. पिछले 25 साल से हो रहा है या 30-40 साल से हो रहा है.
मैम, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, इंडिया में अपने पता है क्या है or like all the time, you know, कि यार डिजाइनर के कपड़े तो रेंट पे कैसे हो सकते हैं? अपने एक थॉट मेंटालिटी है कि यार वो डिजाइनर के मैंने पहन लिया तो नहीं यार वो तो रेंट पे भी देती है. It's a thought. So you can't change anybody's thought. I am doing for my best कि लोगों के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, लोगों को ना फॉल ना हो, लेकिन
नहीं
बाकी
वैसे भी मैं आपको बताऊं, शादी के कपड़े हम कब पहनते हैं? मैंने अपनी शादी का लहंगा जो है 15 साल डब्बे में रखा था. फाइनली आई गिफ्टेड टू समबडी. ऐसे भैया ले लो, मैं तो इतनी पतली भी नहीं हूं अभी और पहन भी नहीं सकती. So, you know, actually there's some, Nishit Mehta is getting married. Nishit, you know where who to contact. Please don't waste money and make लाख 2 लाख 3 लाख के कपड़े. वही कपड़े आपको सोनाली से मिल जाएंगे. And Karan Lal has asked a question. Are you going to make an app? Are you going to make an app in which you are going to, put your clothes out on that app and then people can see it? How are you going to do it?
doing online, like in 2-3 days only. Anyways, my website is there, www.sonalijain.co.in. You have every collection is there. You can see that.
Okay, so Sonali, in your Insta page, you have your website address.
Yeah, everything is there.
Okay, so guys, please go to her Insta page and check the website address and check out the stuff, because I think this is a great idea. Great idea. Hi Pooja. Hi Gatmo 2020. How are you?
Bye.
Are you seeing anybody who you recognize, Sonali, on the chat?
Yeah, I'm in the chat. I'm just seeing everybody saying hi. So don't talk about.
Okay, so tell me one thing. What is the new thing, Sonali, that you have learned during this lockdown?
What is the new thing? See, starting 1 month, to be very frank and modest and honest, it is like irritating because I'm not a person to stay at home at all. But after 1 month, I have made up my mind that कि नहीं अभी ये चलने वाला है. We don't have anything to do. We have to deal with the situations. Then I've started writing blogs. I've started writing poems. I've started writing shairis. I've started reading books. So these all are things I've done. कभी जब मेरा मूड में आता है तो कुकिंग कर लेती हूँ, वरना जनरली नहीं करती.
तो फिर खाना कैसे खाती हैं आप?
शेफ है, शेफ 24 आवर्स है.
अच्छा.
Chef.
Okay, great. Who is my Jabra AC? So Rohan said you're my Jabra AC. Thank you. And I'm also your Jabra AC. That's so cute. Okay, coming back to your rental clothes, I'm very excited about this idea because it's amazing. It's going to help a lot of people. Help, I should not say, it's going to serve a lot of people. Help sounds कि भाई कुछ आप कुछ आपकी position कुछ down है या कुछ नहीं. I don't want to say that. I want to ask you that अगर आपने किसी को rent पे कुछ दे दिया और वो बंदा ने या बंदी ने आपको वापस नहीं किया, तो आप कैसे एक्शन लेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, आप अपने कपड़े वापस कैसे लेंगे?
नहीं, for that we will definitely fill a proper form, proper address, and our banda only goes to their place, deliver the thing with the person who has came to the office or the showroom. That person only can take the thing on her address or on her or his address. Then only we make it sure कि यार जहाँ पे डिलीवरी हुई है वो प्रॉपर हुई है, सिग्नेचर्स होंगे, फोन नंबर्स होंगे, एड्रेस होगा. बिफोर दैट विल नॉट.
तो इसका मतलब आपके स्टोर पे लोगों को आना पड़ेगा लेने के लिए, या आप डिलीवर करने? वुडंट इट बी बेटर कि आप जाके उनके घर पे डिलीवरी करें?
नहीं, डिलीवरी करेंगे, वही मैं बता
रही हूँ. यू नो द हाउस, आप घर भी पहचान लेंगे सब.
नहीं, but I make it sure that there is a video call or a conference. So at least I can have a face, remember on my that he or she is the person. Otherwise, you don't know who you're delivering it to. I mean, it's risky.
Yes, Nishit Mehta, you want to ask a question from Sonali? Please do type your question. In the meanwhile, I'll ask Sonali. Sonali, मुझे बताइए कि fashion has come down from the ages and then we make variations of it and all. So tell me, which is that one outfit which you think or that this is the history of that outfit? I like that people, हम लोग सिर्फ ऊपरी सतह पे बात नहीं करें, हम लोग चीजों की गहराई, because everything has a history. So tell me, what is the, what is that one garment or that one fashion design which you think?
It is based there जो अभी तक हिस्ट्री से गया नहीं, that is a gown, one piece dress.
Gown.
Yeah, full gown. Hasn't been gone from history. Like Victoria, Queen Victoria, normal people, and now also normal people, general people, and middle age also, doctors also. Everybody is on to gown. Like लोग बाग छोड़ देते हैं कि यार मैं टॉप नहीं पहनूंगी, मैं मोटी हूँ, या मैं डेनिम नहीं पहनूंगी, मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ, या फिर मैं ये स्किनी क्लोथ नहीं पहनूंगी, मैं बहुत गाउन के लिए कभी कोई मना नहीं करता, बिकॉज इट इज यू नो इट कैन बी मेड स्टाइल. यू
काफी
कैन.
चीजें छुप जाती है उसमें.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
काफी चीजें छुप जाती है.
काफी चीजें छुप भी जाती है. जिसको मोटा दिखाना होता है मोटा दिखा दो, जिसको पतला दिखाना होता है पतला दिखा दो.
हाँ, लेकिन मैंने तो अभी कितने सालों से गाउन नहीं पहना, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है गाउन में मैं मोटी लगूंगी.
डोंट वरी, अरे नहीं लगेंगे आप, डोंट वरी, आई विल मेक इट फॉर यू. उसके बाद में
हाँ ठीक है, यू मेक इट फॉर मी बट आई विल नॉट टेक इट ऑन रेंट, आई विल बाय इट फ्रॉम यू.
अरे कम ऑन. बात करो.
आपका कोई स्टोर है क्या, पूछ रहे हैं. जूड बिग इज आस्किंग.
लोअर परेल.
लोअर परेल में है आपका स्टोर. ओके.
Phoenix Mall. Only 2 minutes to Phoenix Mall.
विच मॉल?
Lower per Phoenix Mall.
Phoenix Mall. Okay, okay. What is it called? It's called Designed by Sonali Jain.
Sonali Jain.
Okay. Guys, you all can follow her on Instagram. It's Sonali Jain Design. Am I right? No, fashion. Sonali, what's your...
Sonali Jain _fashion. That's the
Underscore fashion. Yeah. So, Lower Parel में Phoenix Mall में इनका जो showroom है, in
Phoenix Mall के 2 मिनट के रास्ते पे, like hardly 2 minutes after Phoenix Mall.
Oh, it's not in Phoenix Mall. It's on the main road. Okay, okay. It's on the main. Yeah, yeah. अरे हाँ, वहाँ पे बड़े खूबसूरत outfits की दुकानें हैं. Yes.
Just entrance to Raghuvanshi. Outside only. Facing
Okay. Okay. Great. So now tell me, I'm going to ask you. क्या पूछूं, आप बताओ. आपको कुछ कहना है तो बताइए, तब तक मैं कुछ सोचती हूँ.
Oh God. मुझे क्या?
आपने कितने साल से डिजाइनिंग कर रही हैं?
See, my passion is from very, very long, but due to some reason I couldn't be. It's only an year, in fact, not an year also. It will complete in July. When I've opened my showroom, 15 July is the opening date. So, from last 1 year.
Okay, but you've been designing before that, but you opened a showroom 1 year back.
No, I've done nothing before that.
Are you serious? But you become so popular already.
Nothing like that. I'm not. I'm a normal designer. That's it.
So what made you become why did you choose the profession of fashion designer? I mean, what is it?
I don't know. From starting only, I'm a fashionista. I'm a shopaholic. I want to be under myself, decked totally. कहीं पे भी जाना है तो यार ने वैसे पहना, ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. कुछ नहीं, मैं किसी को देख के थी ना कि वो ऐसे उठ के आगे, मुझे लगता है ये ऐसे क्यों आया है, ये अच्छे से नहीं आ सकता था.
एक्चुअली आज भी अगर देखा जाए तो आप इतनी अच्छी सजी हुई लग रही हैं, आपकी आई शेडो एकदम परफेक्ट है, लिपस्टिक परफेक्ट, और मैं ऐसे उठ के आ गई.
No, not like.
Yes, Pratna, there's a question from my niece. Hi, Kaki, I have a question. How would designers get back to doing exhibitions after the lockdown opens up properly? Yes, Pratna works with a lot of designers, and she's worked abroad in London and India, US. So, Pratna, that's a great question. So, Sonali, can you answer that question?
And everything is going virtual because I've got a mail from Viva also, and from one more event, I'm forgetting the name right now, that they are doing exhibition virtually. Everything on.
Okay.
At present, like they are not doing anything when any opening. So I guess 2020 there will be no open exhibitions. Whatever is happening is through virtual. And fashion shows for sure no.
Okay, so I have this friend of mine, Akshila Sachdev, who's a great choreographer. She used to be a very, very famous model. So I have seen on her Facebook page, she has been doing fashion shows from the model's house, where of course, they are walking in their own clothes, and they're filming it, and so even that's a great idea. It can be done professionally.
Great idea, but Kanika ma'am, tell me one thing. If we have done a professional shoot, so at least we need 5 to 10% in the house, and right now it's really not advisable. It's very we can't take a
Yeah,
we can't take a risk of ourselves. We can't take a risk of others also.
for others also. Yeah.
It's
But some point of time we'll have to start shooting. मेरी खुद की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बता रही हूँ कि ये ऐसे चल नहीं सकता है. So we'll have to find some SOPs, some standard operating procedures where we have to shoot. तो उसमें फिर फैशन इंडस्ट्री का भी SOPs डिजाइन हो सकते हैं इस वक्त. Yes.
because
And anybody, हाँ.
at present the Mumbai situation is very bad. Very, very bad.
Actually सब जगह है. कुछ लोग टेस्टिंग कम कर रहे हैं तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कुछ स्टेट्स में. So Mumbai is testing a lot, I have another question. If you had to do something else other than being a fashion designer, what would you do?
Okay, so I want to be a jeweler.
A jeweler? वो भी fashion के साथ में? I think you are really a fashionista.
No, because his father is a jeweler.
Okay.
I can help him out, and that's why.
Are you wearing any jewelry right now?
Right now, I've just read the solitaire.
Oh, solitaire का size तो देखो भाई. Chalo, God bless you. May you always be prosperous and may you always be happy. And हालांकि ये चीजें बहुत ही मतलब it is not necessary, not very important in life, but if you have it and it makes you happy, why not? Of course, nobody should grudge anybody whatever makes them happy. It's great. And my other question to you is that you, I mean, I don't want to ask you your age, and it doesn't really matter, but where do you see yourself from now, say 10 years from now? What is it that you dream for yourself? कि भाई मैं यहाँ से ना वहाँ पहुँचना चाहती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ है? Because today you will have a store in Lower Parel. I'm sure you would want more stores. Do you see yourself like in an international market, or do you see yourself just having stores all over India or abroad? What is it that you see for yourself?
First, all over India. First in Mumbai, definitely the second store or third or fourth, whatever. Then all over India, and then everywhere. Because India is first, we are living here, so that's why. So after 10 years, I'm seeing myself to open a store like all over the world. Like whatever they are, like हर जगह का अपना एक कल्चर होता है. जरूर नहीं है कि जो अपन इंडियंस पहनते हैं वही वहाँ पे चले. So we can always like create a thing according to their lifestyle, according to their needs. So we can customize it, and always we can do that. So but one more thing, I have I don't know it will happen or not, but yeah, you have to tell me for that. मेरी बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब नहीं, जब से मैंने थोड़ा समझा है चीजों को, when I was in college life, एक NGO खोलने का. अभी तक तो obviously I haven't, because मैं व्यू कि कुछ गलत ना हो जाए या कुछ और ना हो जाए. तो what you recommend that should I do? First,
to start an NGO, you want to start an NGO?
Yeah.
So what is it that you are interested in doing? In the sense that, are you interested in education, interested in old age, you're interested in looking after like लोगों के hospital? Huh?
No.
Health?
For orphanage.
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 Okay, for orphans. So the thing is about orphans, you can start an orphanage. I don't know whether you have land or you have that, resources to have a place where you can, then you have to take government permission to start an orphanage also. If you have a proper place where you can, then you have to have that infrastructure. But just keeping orphans in a place is not going to help them. So you should do, you should have something where you have a plan of educating them or skilling them. Like I have this
whole thing I will do.
Excellent. That's excellent. So you have to first register your NGO. First register your NGO.
Okay. No, but what first I should associate some NGO, and then I should learn something, thoda, and then I should start off my own.
See, I'll tell you one thing. running an NGO comes from the heart. Whatever you think is good for yourself, you think for the other person कि भाई मैं इसके लिए वही करूं जो मेरे लिए अच्छा है. So there's no training for NGO. You have to have compassion. You have to have a lot of strong will, because NGO में काम करते करते बहुत सारा डिप्रेशन भी होता है, क्योंकि आप कभी कभी आप सबकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाते हैं. जैसे आपने मुझे कहा कि इट्स कमेंडेबल आप जो कर रहे हैं, लोगों को घर भेज रहे हैं, आप लोगों को राशन बांट रहे हैं. आपको पता है अगर मैंने 500 लोगों को राशन बांटा ना, तो 200 लोगों को मुझे घर वापस भेजना पड़ा क्योंकि राशन खत्म हो गया. वो जो तकलीफ होती है, तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग. So that is one. And secondly, if you want to make an orphanage and have people from the streets pick up children and look after them, there are a lot of such organizations which are doing this kind of stuff. You can meet them, discuss with them, then you will know कि भाई क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं, किस चीज में challenge होगा. So there's no official training. There is a course in Tata Institute of Sciences where they do social work. They have masters in social work. They have, so those are different. That if you want to run a proper orphanage, you don't have to be. I'm not a master in social work. I've just become a lawyer. I've just finishing my LLM in human rights. So the thing is that it's मतलब मैंने अभी किया, लेकिन मैंने जब शुरू किया था 1987 में सुनील दत्त साहब और डॉक्टर गिलारा के साथ, तो मेरे अंदर वो फीलिंग थी कि मुझे करना है. आई वांट टू हेल्प पीपल. सो दैट फीलिंग इफ इट्स देयर, यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू अ लॉट. देयर इज नो ट्रेनिंग, बट यू कैन मीट पीपल हु आर डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. और अभी से मिलना शुरू करेंगे तो हो सकता है 5 साल बाद जब आप रेडी हो जाए, तब यू विल ऑलरेडी हैव गेन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज.
Okay. Thank you so much. Because I really need to ask this question to you, because you are the best person to tell me. So that's why I have a question in my mind that definitely I will ask you this thing.
No, that's excellent. That's wonderful. Anything else you'd like to say? Because I think now it's 7:10. I think we have another 20 minutes. कुछ और भूल नहीं जाऊं मैं, तो आपको कुछ पूछना है या आपको कुछ बोलना है तो प्लीज बताइए.
नहीं, whatever. Anybody has any questions, guys?
सब लोग thumbs up दे रहे हैं, सब thumbs up दे रहे हैं, मतलब they are liking what they are hearing. Any other question anybody has? Thank you everybody for joining with us. It was lovely. And we're all looking forward to Sonali's new design. Sonali, कुछ नए डिजाइन भी पोस्ट कीजिए, लेकिन हाँ आजकल पोस्ट करने से लोग कॉपी कर लेते हैं, ये भी प्रॉब्लम है.
Everything is on my website, so no worries on that. I can't help it.
I know. Yes, you're right. That's
We have to post it. We can't. ठीक 2-3 डिजाइन ही पहले वो चलता है, but कुछ भी नहीं डाला तो there is no sense of making a website. There is no sense.
No, that's true.
So,
And आज की माहौल में तो यही तरीका है बेचने का. You can't, शॉप्स पे कोई आ नहीं रहा है, तो you have to showcase like this.
going online, everything, whatever you can't think of, also you will get online.
ना एग्जैक्टली. बट आपने जैसे कहा ना कि फर्स्ट मंथ आपको लगा कि यू फेल्ट कि ये क्या हो रहा है, फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ लॉकडाउन. सो इन माय केस ऐसा हुआ कि दिस फर्स्ट मंथ में ऐसा डेफिनेटली ये घबराहट हुई कि अरे खाने पीने का सामान मिलेगा कि नहीं. एज अ मदर यू थिंक कि भाई आई होप एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू कॉल everything is available for my child, and in my house I have a house help also. She's also like my child because she helps me with the work, but उसकी भी जिम्मेदारी. तो वो डेफिनेटली मुझे भी डर था कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, सडनली सब कुछ बंद तो नहीं हो जाएगा. तो वो एक डर था. लेकिन 10-15 दिन बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि क्या होगा, घर में चावल नहीं होगा तो रोटी खा लेंगे, रोटी नहीं होगा तो कुछ और खा लेंगे, दलिया खा लेंगे. एंड दिस होल लॉकडाउन हैज हेल्प्ड at least me, and I'm very grateful to my son, my younger son who lives with me. He's touchwood so grounded, and he क्या stress कर रहे हैं, what is the use, किस लिए. So it has really made me understand, and I've gone within. I have learned so much more about myself. I've started understanding more about people. I've always been somebody कि भाई दूसरों के बारे में देखो, उनको क्या फील हो रहा है, मैंने किसी को दिल तो नहीं दुखाया, मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोला. तो ये और मेरे अंदर ये इनवर्ड जर्नी और शुरू हो गई. और आपको जैसे मैंने कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक लाइव किया था, मैंने रियलाइज किया कि 5 कपड़े तो पहने हैं, और चलो हम बाहर जाना है तो 10 और जोड़े. मैंने अभी हाल ही में ईद में मैंने कम से कम, आई सेड इन द स्पिरिट ऑफ शेयरिंग, मैंने कम से कम नहीं तो 3 कार्टन पैक करके मैंने वो गिफ्ट किए हैं लोगों को कि भाई आप लीजिए, आप जिसको फिट आए, बिकॉज आई हैव वॉर्न देम। और वो ऐसे जोड़े हैं कि मैं पहनूंगी, दोबारा पहनूंगी, अभी तो कब पहनूंगी पता नहीं, और पहन चुकी हूँ, उसके फोटो खींच चुके हैं और लोग सोशल मीडिया पे देख चुके हैं, तो अब
Yes.
आई कैन नॉट रिपीट देम, so I'm giving them away. But also another thing I want to tell celebrities, I cannot repeat my clothes. Is a big burden on your head,
I, I totally,
big burden, yeah, it's too much.
I agree. I totally agree. Generally, also we hardly get clothes for one or twice, like generally. So it's better to be somebody who is in need. So,
Yeah,
but
you know, and there are a lot of people like,
and you know, if you're
there
going,
are middle class people like myself. No, I consider myself middle class. They can't even ask. So if you know that there's somebody in a family or there's a function coming up, you can always tell them, please come and see what you want, or send them a video of your wardrobe and say, इसमें से कुछ चाहिए तो बता दो.
yeah, because people are, you know, obviously shy to ask you. They ask you all the time. तो बेटर कि हम ही उनसे बोल दे कि प्लीज आप लोग ये हम लोग नहीं पहन रहे हैं, कि उनको ऐसा भी नहीं लगे, बुरा भी नहीं लगे कि एंड वी डू दिस. So whenever you know I go to a shopping, I always have this thing in mind, you know, कि अगर मैंने यहाँ 4 कपड़े लिए हैं तो मैं अपने वार्डरोब से 4 कपड़े निकाल दूंगी.
So true. I do the same, Sonali. If I buy, I ask myself, am I ready to get rid of 4? Then only I'll buy 4.
Yeah.
So true. And this is not now. I've been doing it for last 35 years.
Great. So I'm also doing so. So I just took out, if I get 10, I took out 10, I give it to them, whoever wants it. Then 10 I put back. If I want, if I
Super.
ever like whatever the amount, I think taking it out first.
Superb, superb.
Both the things in mind. एक तो आप किसी की हेल्प कर, दूसरा आपके दिमाग में हमेशा एक मनी फैक्टर रहता है ना, वो हमेशा रहेगा. आपको लगेगा यार मैं ये ले रही हूँ, ये मेरे काम आएगा क्या, फिर मुझे वो निकालना पड़ेगा तो मैं फिर क्या करूंगी. यू नो इट ऑलवेज बैलेंसेस योर लाइफ.
You know, also मैंने देखा है कि कुछ कपड़े you're so comfortable in them, ना, you feel so good. जैसे ये मैंने जो आज पहना है, मैंने हालांकि इसका दुपट्टा नहीं पहना, because I thought this is pretty just like that. तो ये मैंने पहना, ये मैंने इतनी बार पहना, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है, I feel so good in it, but I just can't give it to anybody. तो मैं लेकिन ये मैंने इस बार जब मैंने ईद में कपड़े निकाले, तो मैंने ऐसे भी कपड़े निकाले जो मेरे को प्यारे थे एकदम, और मैंने कहा नहीं बहुत हो गया, ये अटैचमेंट अच्छी बात नहीं है, और मैंने दे दिया. और देने के बाद इतना हल्का लगा कि why was I so, you know, मैं ऐसे पकड़ के क्यों रखा था. I feel so good. And then when you get a response from somebody who's wearing it, they send you picture कि दीदी मैंने ये आपका पहना, इतनी खुशी मिलती है, इतनी खुशी मिलती है.
अच्छा लगता है, trust me. Like
Great. So anyway, everybody who joined us, thank you so much. I think it's now 7:15 and आप लोग सबने अपना time दिया. Sonali, thank you so much. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Loving conversations. Yes, thank you, Style by Riddhi. You know, it's an emotional connect, and I think you connect with somebody who's like-minded, and the fact that, you know, Sonali also does the same thing. जितने खरीदे उतने कपड़े निकाले, so obviously there's something that has connected us. Thank you. Who, Style by Riddhi, are you handling Sonali's work, or what is it? Kunal, God, entire country is mourning due to Sushant. Kunal, when I started this whole live, आप शायद नहीं थे, मैंने तभी कहा था कि मैंने जो कमिटमेंट किया है, मैं उस कमिटमेंट को नहीं तोड़ सकती, और मैंने सोनाली को ये कमिटमेंट 7 दिन पहले किया था. And I know it's very, very hurtful to say life has to go on, but honestly, in the film industry, we say the show must go on. And this was a commitment to Sonali. And I started off talking about Sushant. We all are very upset, deeply upset, also upset about people who are not being able to speak when they're in depression. We spoke all about that. So Kunal Gaur, please don't lecture me. I know what I'm doing. And this was a commitment, and I'm not going to cancel a commitment that I've given to somebody. Okay? Okay, Style by Riddhi says that she works with you, Sonali ma'am, as a senior stylist and designer. Wow.
she is too good. She's too good. I can say anything. मैं पर्सनली कुछ होता है और मैं एकदम हड़बड़ी में होती हूँ कि यार मेरे को ये नहीं हो रहा वो नहीं हो रहा यार प्लीज एक बार देख लेना तो शी हैंडल ईच एंड everything of mine. She is too good.
Wow, is she a coordinator for fashion?
Yeah, she's a fashion designer
Oh,
herself.
she's a fashion designer herself. Okay, okay.
Fashion
Great, excellent.
she's working under me. So, but she's a very lovely girl, hubbly bubbly always. So it's very fun to be with her.
How nice. And she has a lot of respect for you. She's also speaking very highly about you. That's wonderful. So, guys, should we say bye now, Sonali? Is there anything that you still want to say?
Again, guys, it's nothing like that कि हमें दुख नहीं है या हमको बुरा फील नहीं हो रहा है तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के लेकिन as Kunikam, that life has to go on. So, and thanks to her that she has to commit, has it, otherwise she can very easily tell me that I can't do this today. She's gone through that. So hardest and again we are saying from both of our side that finest condolence for Sushant Singh. In a very early age, he has done, I don't know, like why he has done also all this. But the guy is practical and life has to go on.
And definitely, we have our condolence with the family. And also, you know, it was a commitment to you all also that we were going to come live, and I could not disappoint you or Sonali, and that's why we did this. And take care, all of you. And if anybody has felt hurt because we were smiling too much, then I'm really sorry. If you felt hurt, that was not our intention. But God bless you all. God bless you, Sonali. And Style by Riddhi, all the best to you. Yes, rest in peace, Sushant sir.
Yeah.
Bye, take care.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Bye.